Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro and I'm gonna show you how to disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. After that, press the select button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, find the option called the Wi-Fi and tap on it. And here you should see the list of connected or other networks, nearby networks, basically the list of them. And on them you will see the some of the networks will say connected on it. If the network says it's connected, that means it's saved on your watch and you can remove it. And to do it, tap on the network. Let's tap on it again. Oh no, never mind, not tap on the network, tap on the arrow next to it, this one. Okay, my bad. And you will see the details about the network, and you will see this delete button, and you can tap on it and the network will be removed and it won't say connected anymore. And once you're done, press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face, and that's how you disconnect from the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.